What's the meaning of automatic transmission? Automatic transmission. Automatic transmission.
Automatic transmission. Automatic transmission. Automatic transmission is a type of vehicle transmission that automatically changes gears as the car moves. Unlike manual transmissions, which require the driver to shift gears manually, automatic transmissions use a hydraulic system to shift gears automatically. This makes driving easier and more convenient, especially in heavy traffic or on long drives. With an automatic transmission, the driver can focus on steering and braking while the transmission adjusts the gears to maintain optimal performance. Overall, automatic transmissions provide a smoother, easier driving experience.